What is up, guys? Welcome to Naps and Nurture. On this channel, I do a variety of content from vegan recipes, threadlock journeys, game reviews, movie reviews, traveling, vlog, restaurant reviews. We do date nights and things like that. We have a good arsenal of content here. If you enjoy any of our content and you want to support us and you want to be able to contribute to us, but you're not sure how, this platform is a great platform of being able to just send small, non-hurtful amounts to be able just to show support, show love to the content creator. I do content creation full time, and I do everything from gaming to art projects or doing some art streams. We do painting, we do cooking, recipes, we do podcasting. We got a wide variety, and I think we got a little bit of something that'll suit just about everybody. If you like our content, feel free to help us out, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.